to be careful of the valve because there's a sensor in there. It's plastic, and if this thing hits it, it'll break. It's like $20 in half an hour trying to make it work. The old weights because I have to rebalance it anyway.
What does rebalancing it mean?
Well, tires are really like crudely made, so they're like out of balance, and if your wheel is out of balance on your car, it'll wear out the wheel bearing and it'll cause a vibration that people complain about a lot. So we fixed the tire manufacturer's mistake by adding weight to the outside of the wheel to counteract the weight on the other side to make it feel smooth. His little arms reach out to grab the rim. Bring this arm down. Sometimes it works. Put it right at the edge of the rim. Because of that sensor, I have to put the valve right where I'm going to start taking the rim out. Because the edge of the tire will sometimes hit the sensor and break it. It's really easy. Sometimes the sidewall says inside and outside. You have to put it on. This one looks like since rubber's so grippy, I gotta use soap so the bead slides over the rim.
So if you don't use soap, it'll just like what? Get stuck?
Yeah, it'll get stuck and you can damage the tire bead. Push down this. And this is the trickiest part of putting tires on. Like the big truck ones and weirdly enough the low profile ones will like pop off of this thing and then it just doesn't go on the line. It's really cool. But do it right. Just do that. Always pop off this thing. And this is basically filling it with air But since the tire's not attached to the rim, I have to seat the bead.
What does that mean?
The bead is the ring on the inside of the tire, like the inside of the diameter right here. There's like a metal piece in there that holds its shape. And you have to fill it up with air so it like stretches over this a little bit larger part of the rim and hits this wall right here and holds pressure so the tire can inflate but it doesn't pop off the rim. It's really weird. But sometimes you get lucky like that. It just does it. It just is great. There's no valve in there, it's just going to let air out. So I put this in.